Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, behind me is a 1980 Pontiac Firebird Indy 500 and Daytona 500 pace car that we're going to be detailing in this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's do it. So you guys, let's get this video going. I don't plan on talking much during this video, but this is a 1980 Indy 500 and Daytona 500 pace car, which is rare because this is the only year that both major races use the exact same pace car, which is very, very cool. The other part that's cool about this car, and I'm kicking myself in the butt because I did not get on video, it is signed by the race winner, Johnny Rutherford, from the 1980 Indy 500, which is very, very cool. As you guys can see right here, not a lot of gloss. The wheels are absolutely hammered. They're an absolute pain in the butt to clean, as you guys are going to see coming up. Lots of swirls, not going for that. Lots of oxidation, which is surprising because this car basically only gets driven 1 month a year. And then it basically just sits in a barn under a car cover, so it's kind of surprising. But as you can see there, lots of swirls. So this is a single stage paint on this vehicle, you guys, so it may surprise you guys of how thin it actually is when I show you upcoming here in the video. But it's very thin, so the most important part was to at least just remove the oxidation. That's all we're really worried about. We're just going to give it a good bath, wash it up, and remove the oxidation and make it glossy as all get out. Now, if you guys have not done so already, take a moment, go down below the video, hit that subscribe button, and then turn on all post notifications. That's the little bell sitting right next to it, so that every time I upload a video, you do get notified. I'm not a big fan of the looks of this vehicle, but the history behind it's really cool, you guys. But without further ado, I'm going to shut up now. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So in a situation like this, I am not going for the imperfections. I'm just going to remove the oxidation to bring the gloss back, and that's it. I'm putting no pressure down and very fast hand movements.
So you guys, I could not be happier with the way that this car turned out. Look at it. It is glossy. It is white now. It kind of is almost a cream color before because of the oxidation. For having really thin paint, I'm extremely happy with the way that it turned out because I was like, as soon as I saw 2 mils, I was like, great. But I used an all-in-one polish. I didn't put a bunch of pressure down. It did get rid of all the oxidation. We still have some scratches left behind. That's fine. Not worried about that. It's here for gloss, which we achieved no problem at all. The wheels were a bear to clean, absolute bear. I do not want to clean those anytime soon. Again, I can tell you that much. But now, next year, because it's Memorial Day weekend right now, next year when he takes it to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway for carb day and stuff like that, it's going to stand out. It's going to be so glossy, and because before it was just kind of dull and just dead looking. All around, you guys, very, very happy with the way that this car turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this video down in the comments. What do you think about the car, how it turned out, if you like the car, if you hate the car. I'm not a big fan of the car, but I like the history behind the car. That's what makes it kind of special to me, to be able to detail this car. It's really, really cool. It's kind of a one of a kind, you guys, which is really awesome. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, for checking it out. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you in the next video.